Some mornings you don't ease into the day, you go find it. The Sunseeker Predator 65 is built for the kind of run that starts before the marina wakes up. Built in Poole, England. Sunseeker's Predator line has always meant one thing: a hull shaped for speed, and a deck laid out for everything you want to do once you get there. Twin pod drives, 35 knots on tap. You're past the inlet and into open water before most people finish their coffee. The kind of speed that turns a whole coastline into your morning. Sunroof glides back, sky opens up, foredeck sun pad, aft cockpit, beach club floor. The whole boat rearranges around however you want the day to go. Tender garage wide enough for a Williams jet tender. Launched off a platform that lowers straight into the water. SeaBobs and paddleboards stowed and ready. Specify the beach club, and the swim platform becomes its own little resort. Rain shower, speakers, nowhere else you'd rather be. Down below, it's base camp, not the main event. A full beam suite up front for you, a forward cabin for guests, room for 6 total. But this isn't a boat you look at on a Saturday. It's a boat you live on by 8 in the morning, sunroof open, coastline going by. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.